So hello friends, today we are going to talk about another problem which is sub-array sum. Okay, so I have written it in Scala, Java and Python. I'll explain the Scala first. So here is an example of the sub-array sum. So the question is that we will be given the one target, okay, and an array, and we need to find out from which location the sums adds up to -10. Okay, so we'll start from, I just wanted to give you some idea about it. How we will going to do it and how we can approach that question. So one way is that we can iterate which is a brute force. So we can iterate each elements, okay, from left to right, and whenever we will able to find the target, okay, so we'll start with 2, then traverse all the next other elements, then I'll start from 12 to the I will be in 2 and j will be in 12 to 10, then I will be in 12, j will be from -2 to 10. So it will be take around n square, okay, because there will be 4 loops. Now the another method is using the hash map. So the hash map, why we are using it, because we are storing the previous running total, okay. So previous running total, that means if initially it is 2, if it reaches 12, then the running total will be 14, and we will going to store 14 as index 1, okay, 2 as 0, 14 as index 1, and then 14 minus 2 is 12, will be index 2, and 12 minus 20 will be your -8, will be stored as -3, sorry 3, index position 3, similarly index position 4 for 2, okay. Why we are storing the running total with the indexes, because so that we can find the values that is already present, okay. So which way already calculated, you will say. So let's say if we are reaching here and if we are able to find so what we are doing is we are checking the current sum, which is your running total minus the targeted sum, okay. So we are doing it as running total minus of target will be it is coming as 12, okay, 12, 24, 22 and 2. If it is able to find that value somewhere in the hash map, yes, we are able to find that value. So we will calculate the data from +1 plus I plus 1 to the current position of the I, okay. So you can see this hash map. I'll share you the link for that, and similar way you will be able to you just need to write the code, okay. So for writing the code, we just need a map, okay. How we will going to create a map in the Scala is mutable.map, okay. It will contain the integer comma integer, because this is integer, this is integer, okay. So that's how it will going to store the hash map. And in the Python we usually create the map using the curly braces, and in Java we usually create the hash map using the hash map, okay, with the wildcards, new hash map. So in the hash map we have this contains key, okay, get method and the put method. In let's start with the Scala. So in Scala it has the contains method and it doesn't have the get method, okay. Let me check if it has the get method. Yeah, so there is a no, there is no get method. So we will do map and then the bracket of in the keys, okay. Similarly, if you want to store the value in the hash map, it will be, because it's similar to Python. In the Python it will going to have this square bracket, but here we will going to have the round brackets, okay, is equal to I. Similar way Here the prefix map is created as the curly braces. Then we will going to store the value something like this, which we have seen in the Scala, but we are replacing the round bracket with the square brackets. That's it. And how we will find the value in the hash map? Using the in method. So if this key is present in this map, okay, if this key in the curly braces, and here we will have the get method in the Java. Okay, so similar way, if we are able to find those values, current is equal to target, so we are incrementing it is for running total. Okay, we are checking if we are able to find the value. If not, if it is able to, if the value is there in the map or not, if it is there, then we will exit it. And here we are doing +1. Okay, because we have seen if the value 2 is found here in this one, we will going to calculate it from the I plus 1 to the current position. So current position is I, okay, and +1 is here. Thank you.